Quoc is a large tropical island off the coast of Cambodia, though it is part of, and only accessible from, Vietnam. Quoc is a very mountainous and densely forested island, situated in the Gulf of Thailand 45 kilometers west of Ha Tien on the Vietnamese mainland and 15 kilometers south of the coast of Cambodia. Quoc is ringed with some of the most beautiful beaches in Vietnam and offers the best seafood in the country. Quoc is what Phuket was before it was overrun by development. Quoc Island and its beaches were voted the cleanest and most beautiful beach in the world by ABC News in 2008. However, this is changing fast because of the excessive pollution outside the tourist resorts. There are extensive plans to develop Quoc, including high-rise residential areas, several new towns and suburbs, complete rebuilding of Duong Dong city center, and replacing the existing small airport. The new international airport south of Duong Dong opened in early 2013. A golf course is planned as well as a casino in the north. A ferry connection to Sihanoukville, Cambodia, and visa-free entry have been discussed in the past. Quoc will be something completely different in 10 years if current plans materialize. Another point of interest in Quoc is the island's native dog. This dog was originally a wild animal and later trained as a hunting dog by local people. These days they are very domesticated and it's unusual to go anywhere on the island without seeing one. These animals have unusually sharp teeth as they tear their food when they eat it rather than bite, and have claws that over the years have been optimized for catching prey and are razor sharp. Thanks for watching our video about this destination. If this information was valuable to you, please help others to find it by sharing it on your social networks. Thanks again and see you next time.